Wow, Joshua. I mean, look at the crowd. How do you feel?
It's amazing, right? I'm so blessed, man. I love you guys.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, the one and only Joshua, the fearless Vaughn.
First of all, I want to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And, I love you guys. Second, I want to thank CBC USA. I want to thank CYONA. I want to thank ICC and, all the people that come and support me. Nanzate chunga kalom. Nantu kau chang kalom. Kazon hente, kama kami pun lai mi semi longselawin kalo hente. Kanule adanga kadomi zate kazon nan rai kema tapek dingin nan racha. Nanzate chunga lunglom nak tampi kangai. Chun kazon hente. Tiana ta tay na kamhu na mat sampiang na thongin se. Kazon hen. Kema chim kadu big micho kazonete kanaulete zong kamhuna chung kema ti po zong kamhuna zaitluginda zagatila til thatu dinga motivation kan ngai timi kamhu tiga hen kema zong ka thatho chin chin haile zonga zom nak thilnunga ka pek achuchen zagatila kazon hete nula pa zong chim kadu micho nam falete ni to kandu aning ti na hen thâu lấy lòng salon hen tha giang pek lấy giống như cái số mũi thì he chim cái đu mi se atu kazon hen chente cái mà he masabik UFC they're the first Burmese UFC fighter in Tilai, and the first Asian male champion, but the first Burmese UFC champion, but remember this. I'm not going to be the last one. Yes, I want to see more Burmese UFC fighter for sure, and we can make this happen. And I believe in you guys. So let's do this. Thank you.
Congratulations for your achievement. But here in Umpise, he championship sao pizong nakuda ome atu nakin lai pa na chon nakhi volei pin an thei. All right, and now
we would like to welcome the Hakka community of Indiana for a Chin traditional dance, Rokatlak. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause.
Bao chiều mai bằng mình tiếng hẹn hay em lòng nhau tình hình tên đi hơi lên trên lòng mắt em hoa em hăng tình hình tên đi hơi lên trên lòng mắt em hoa em hăng xuân ngày thâu thả tương khai xuân ngày lên và đi em là sợ thì lòng thâu em dài bao em ngon lên em là sợ thì lòng thâu em dài bao em ngon lên em là sợ
Next up, we would like to welcome the Mizo Society of America for another dance. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Mizo Society of America.
공의 다르마니자인 람송라야 간 추앙에 간 젠나 어루억 티앙레 조티피 말레 담디에인 민체마 이한 끼땡어 Trung công và phong in sức tùy thiêng mô ngài tên luang người her đó lệ nàng dâu tùy thiêng tỷ lệ tiang
Yeah.
chal mar le chal mar dang ma nge o a dang ma nge oi oi ke ni chal mar dar dong ko na a ho nge sei ro tum si lo mo in o a phong del del oi oi phong del del mo ita mai em se o min ai ve oi oi ke ni chal mar dar dong ko na a ho nge sei ro tum si lo mo in o a phong del del oi oi Sai saulaya kalam done sai saulaya o kalam done quang pui rin lom lom min tei ti sa lengi lenge mai min loi ru ban thar min loi ru ban thar o khamoi o me oi ma thang lung pe oi mo thang lung pe pa tel lo swa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mizo Society of America. Now we will move on to just a short speech from the family of Joshua's family for a short speech. So please let's welcome Joshua and his mother to the stage.
Tu zan chan asung loi tuk mi mun ma a sulam angai I phil ok thalo tuam bia do tak tak nan tial mi ni le chan a khria ko upat mi CBC USA CCI CYONA le live in akan zau tu nan di lak mai a lunglop na bi chim nak chan tha ka mu cha a ka phathian min ka thang that thai ta na ka bun tu ata lai kai ma ka min chu pi cha ji mi e peng nya lon khwa mi ka si Joshua ban boi thong I hring tu anu ka si apa chu pu uk tu me peng ruan khwami asi I thong ni le kum lai sri October kha khan ado tu le adot mi kan pathian sina akan din ta boi pani thachwa ro sung fanu pali le fa pa pakhat akan pek Joshua hi nyang lei in chun pani nak asi fa pa phangkhat asi tu chuna Joshua le achung khan ni kan chun mang kan dang mat mi UFC Flyweight tai som chau kho nak dir mun tiang lam akan threi tu chu kan pathian asi cha amin ka thang that กันมาตลกเตอินอารมณ์อีลุงลบนาอลังตาตูมีพุนโฮยนันดีลักจงอากันนิลมตุกชิงชันนัดมิดนายอาลบนากันหูติกะเลนันจะกวดเลนันคอมเมนต์ท่านากันเรลมีนาฮีกันจะอาจุนทาจังทนนักรักษีสามจาเลสมทุมเลปฐุมอาจุนอุณาวรัวเรมเตอินขสักจีอีใจทุกอินดาอัฐอีอันวมอารอนลุทุงอินอัคเบอินอังกิงฮองาอวงหลวงมีโอลิฟชตีบรรทุกอสีเดียกันไบเบิลอากันหูบรรทุกอินตูชุนอาครีอาอุณาวรัวลุงรัวเตอินโจสวาบันบอยทองไตนักอมุนักอาลุงลบนักเบียนันชิมพิยาคีกันมาไลชีไลชิมีพุนจาลองสิลาวอินกันอุณาวมีพุนดังนาจาอาเซเซมิรังโพนาจาอาเซเซสุลัมอังไงอีจิงเชียออกหลักมีจานอากันปัทยานี้ทชวนากันเปียกเกาเซตุชุนอีลุงลมทจำนักอาอารชวกมีนันดีลักจงอาเลไลฟ์อินอากันเจ้าตูเบียลเตนันดีลักจงอาลุงลบนะชิมจอกเรากันไงกันมาขวบเหจุนกันนี่ล้มตุกเกาแต่กับบุญน้อยทานล้มตุก
Thank you so much to Joshua and his mom. We would just like to say that for tonight, we are just going to stick to questions about his career as a UFC fighter because that's what he's here for and that's what we're here to listen to. So we apologize in advance if we are not able to get all of your questions. Again, we will just stick to questions regarding his career. Thank you.
Okay, kanalom tutu panel discussion talk lai question masabik Joshua, welcome home, welcome to the community. Atu bantukin krifa bupi ne community pi ne minau pi ne tay nak na pu nak chunga upapek nak le lompi nak kanito apyak mi hi zaitinda na hu ningse. What does it mean to you?
Masabika bantukinte khomi grammi kami punne celebration bentuk event hana bukan topia mi kamu tu yang kai mahazat lukunda zoom chin ak thinlong kaya ka pek tila chun malong salon zat lukunda thlachamen nak bo mi kalai mi phun he tampian tim he ka thai tika kai ma cha thazang tampi galak chin tika hen ka lom tuk sungshan na zate chunga
Hello
Joshua the field van dikha si namin tak he lai min van boy thong te the fearless he hauni dan po jitinda fearless na ning jitinda sinang chimkom
the fearless he kaima ten ka kaima ten ka se ka kamin ka team mi se kitila cho
na ka ruang zong
se zelo ashram thok karak thong ka hen the savage te kan au ne ka thong dan he rak chien paro se kan the savage ka karak dubak lo waka kamin rak tlango ketelong nan du lo makan kematen show ka zau right now the fearless temi pa ka kamu machun kema ka thodan ka van zau ti kan ti thailo te ka van ti te ma min ka kor ka lak be nak se
thalak
Wow, okay.
pakate hal nak tak kalu thana pakate mi pi ni rakhal buk la ti mi cho vai khat Roy Val hen na tein huwa khan koram min te mi lar tak minu ba lo pin ani son tar na law ngai nervous ngai atui champion na sino hinte na chodil changmo something na tu he ani son tar so ma dika ani ha mi
tila mitam tung ni thaya chun no song loi tila chu
Wow, what a great question. The first question was regarding your name, the Fearless. So the question was, how did you come up with the Fearless name? And Joshua, you responded with, at first you were called the Savage.
Yes.
Wow, he was called the Savage because of his fighting style, and he decided maybe that was a little bit too extreme. And after watching his show, you named yourself the Fearless, correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next question, please.
Tuzan lei biakan ruwa kan nakachimi chunga UFC Flyweight Championship level tiang pakho nak ding sa discipline zone lai how sacrifice how commitment zone tha te nei how de hi level pakha phak nak ding sa zai sacrifice na to mi da ha big zai klop da har tok pun chang sa ti ben to ruwa chan
si harnak katon mi herak tampi te ram thok rak thok ka hen soisal tu jong tampi rak katila chen kaima jong kha zekitila rian karak tuan bu khan kato si tiga khan zekitila rian jong kha tuan tuk khanga velo tila chete full time in kan chasing ka si tiga kanu ne khan dream na chasing si ko chen idin lo la kem na kam bom la rakate rakati te khan zekitila kaima jong rian ka chuak karak chin na te khan soisal tu khan rak tamai papa fangkhat se tha thu to anu la te jong bom na la te ben tu ka si te khan kaima jong ka rian ka tuan la tangka nga la kanu la te ka chom na la te ben tu khan rian na ka kir than ma chen ka phok than ka kir than te ben tu khan se ka laklo nak chan jong tampi kitila cho na khan kanu la kanao la katupa te jong khe tu akzau chong ai ma te kente motivation tampi ka lak kanu jong na katilang mong mi cho na tin mi si chon su lolo na te khan ka te kaima jong chan sao pi ra lo te pathian tha kum ni chunga UFC kum phan kho ma khan national champion na thong tu cho full time ka to kho chang
Joshua atua hin tua volei chung pumpia kan mi phun long salon Asia abikin koram Burma le lai min hin kan Starbucks se le jung pi mi chon min se chulong slowin tua India ramakhin Mizoram kan ti ka chun kan mi phun tam pi kan ma mi phun hoi mi zo kan ti min ha chun tua raza mi zong tam pi num nai chun ha zong ni chun ani dir kam ani vaya atui teina kan hu tan lom tak tak abikin Mizoram Chief Minister Alubik chun support le Minister TTM ha ti minister chun an MP pakhat zong ne anma social media akhong baka lompina statement khatha tenan tiari Mizoram pi zong ni hin an lompi tak tak e chu anma mi pi zong hin thaitar na thai di zong kadu ngai anma mi pi sin ali tar chim lu mimmo an Chief Minister se ama sport minister
si ama mizo lai ne tha kam pek mi he kaima cha jong sung loi tuk chun ama sport minister zong khan araka chon ton zelo kan vai khat vai ni chikani chon akan sport na khe ka cha sung loi bak kama jong matwa hla mi kan selo kan tila chete lai mi la mizo la kama jong ka raza nam kam ka tila kan kho tam pi zong tiga kama mi phun man tu khen kam hu ve kon ha tila cho tika tha kam pek na he ka cha sung loi tuk sung
Thank you. And the next question, this is for our younger generations, and they asked this on Instagram. They said, what motivated you to start competing in the UFC? Or what motivated you to become a fighter?
What motivated me was my auntie Mio. I was always in trouble. I was always fighting in the street and things like that. And one day, I got home from fighting and I got bruises on my face and things like that. So my auntie was like, all right, come here, sit down, let's have a talk. And, she was like, hey, you think you a real man? And I was like, yeah, I never lost a fight, She was like, nah, that's not what a real man do. A real man fight for his country, his family. Look at Manny Pacquiao, man. He fight for his country. And that was the night that changed my mindset and everything.
What an amazing journey. Thank you.
Championship level tiang hakho nak ding cha zup nak pathian na bo chan nak sa chun the family the community lai in ท่าจะเปียกนักใจ
I might not look like it, but I pray a lot, you know. Allah liuk rak sul liu tena zong ka vel lai zong thak cham ko. Oi pa ma pa ka vel lai ka ti pa ko ti phon ma. Thak cham ngai zai ka tua lai po hen ma te he pathen na ka do ti te zai ka tua lai po thak cham thil su ka tua se thil thak tua thak cham ma ting man hen akabom ngai ting ko ro chun na chimman tuk chun ko mi phun ko hoi le po zong ni te ka nu la ka pa zong ni thla kan champiak lamang rong hin suru te ron
Joshua na video zong kan zo biak ina solo na sak nak zong kan hu I case chunga te na kai zong thla na cham ta kan hu lamang tu na kan chimban tuk pat thia je tuk na bo chen I min tampi hi chu kan zoom na he kan ka long kan veina na tak tak kan lang ta lom ni practical kan to lom ni tampi me nang ma na zoom na ka hin fel ten na tu mi thil pan hi zai hida zoom tu na sip ve ban tokun tam bini chon ok tha te na ro mi ma ni pel lo ten fel te na to lamang thil pan hi chimok la kan ni ma
fel ten ka to lamang mi he cho zai ti lai ni fatin ka to mi he cha ok chunga ka tial zai rong adam hi ka to decision thil tha ka to se thil che ka to se zangki la ken cha ka tial mi ke ka check than lamang ma te ken thil tha ka to si khan chun ka nuam ka ti la cho thil che ka to khan chun zai luk ka nuam ko zong zangki la chau kon te khan ni hin he zai men ka to chung lo ti mi reminder pakhat ta khen kam han chun pan hi nak cho zai luk thil ka to la ka zai lo zong zangki la he ti men tuk chun thil pakhat ka to la khen chun thla ka chom long mang ma pan hi se big ro te ro
chu pakhat te ma he pe tlai ke ma ka thei na ka atu liao kan mi no tam pi he rian atron na en zoom tu ni chun pek chan nak te cheu ha cheu ka ti ban tuk te na he kan rian bak chu sa ko nang ma a hin te ke ma ka zoom na ka ti ban tuk nak zoom nak lai no fel tak tak ti ban tuk the nang ma hi nang ma da diam huna dia lo chiamo
si cheu khat kong he chu kanu miu sa kanu se akan sik peng mi se like sik dilem chute ka ten hen kanu miu hen acho zelawa na cho te lai te ke athok man ka thok lan kan champion na si te lai he ben tuk tangka na ngai te lai hi ti ka hen cheu ka te pe lamang ti mi he akachim lamang chung kanu zong he ma he ma sabi ka chim mi se cheu ka pek ti mi he kan zakatila ke ma ka sikho tok te chung cheu ka te zaitik man atlal ko dulo
cha kan
to he online rakrami question policy kum zaiza nasin da hi bentu thut na khin na thok chun api mi chu when are you going to retire
thut karak thok chu training karak thok 2018 rong sro te and thut tak ka thok chu 2020 kan bitak te training la itu tram ka thok tak he se retire he cho it depend on you know people cuz kan division he tu he minungan ngai minos te la cho chuna si kholo se la way class ngom kai te la ma nu kan zau te la
okay so wana tua anu big Panjova hen and thong liawi kan zau te ka 20 second na te so nai tok lai hong khan ti phan nak mo je ban tuk phun tal nei mo chun an chui e nai phit te khan afak mo khan chui mi khan kheng mo kheng lo zai tin kha na toi ma khan nam te ka zero da thu ko mi khan nam chol lo te kan ban thin hang pa ma kha hong te ka tom bo ka chim hit na ma na feeling kha hong hang e na ban choi na ban tek hong hang feeling
si pento chen kan ni thong lai he ka thin phang bak lo oi dang ban tu lo ka ngai tuk sung sung ni thong lai he ka ngai bak chun e kai ma ha nei deu mi po chu ka chim ton na zai ti mana ka tai kho na ding lamum lo te like ka chin nak dan la zai ke Harbik se katila chakte training camp tin hakum dan ten Harbik se kaimala kaimazong ka training to na kazum katila cho chun akachui kacho ka phedman katila cho tlopal te ka thon man te kana fak tuklo na ka ke ka chui mal te ka fangai so yeah mate khasi ko e ze katila ka thong la katia khan ze katila akutin khan aza changte ama na ka pia dialogy pa step plan khan mate akan kaizong ka confuse pa katila cho makan dali chipara tin kana adi tikha ka fiang mi se.
What a great question, and I think everybody probably wants to know your answer to that again. So I'll just ask you again, and if you can repeat it in English, that would be great. So how was your feeling before you were in the ring when you were about to fight? Oh my gosh, I forgot his name. Because you won, yes. Yeah. That guy, yes. Yeah. How was your feeling? And the question was, I think he kicked you. Or did that kick touch your face? Did it touch anywhere? What happened? So take us down that road.
See, he asked me if I was nervous for that fight, but I was very, very excited for that fight. There's no nervousness, things like that. I believe in my work, the work that I put in that camp. And so, when he kicked me, I kind of slipped a little bit, so, it didn't touch me clean. So, you know what I mean? It didn't really hurt. But when he kicked me in my calf, yeah, that one hurt. That one hurt a lot, So, I thought, I was going to ground and pound him, but he was showing me that, he don't want to do it no more. So, that's the reason why I stopped.
Next, na tuat ding mi gong afiang sang mi nakan chip ko mi on lai ma.
The next fight kong he afiang low, but whoever can get it.
The question was, who or where or when is going to be your next fight? And the answer is?
Whoever, anywhere, anytime, whoever.
Okay. Kaban hal sabtu mi cho tua number 1, 2, 3 I termina he Panjova cho adam na dam logan fiang lawite number 15 nak Manel Kap minak nilupa kha chunhua Khaira te hinapan he zaideu hi da chance ni la te zu man challenge tu dinga
Kaima ka du ka team na chun ampan hin zang ka zonga thong du ka na
UFC ni tin pok da silai
tu kaima ni chun matchmaker chu ka chon ko nan zai thong pa fiang pa kham ha ka chim lo te kan ama no si ka ti lai chu para atu kaima ka du na chun du ning lo pento chu he tha ten recover ko selo rak ra than selo no ama kan ka du natin asithang la ka zumlo matika Maneo or Tyra pakaching chang sa teko la
zai tuk tuan da kan hi thum ngo si lai mo achan he
Thizing
pakhate ban hal sap ka du mi ju pakai ve ya atua nalu tika khande atui kan koram Burma flag kha na tika koram pumpi jong kan lom koram pumpi vale chung pumpia nakan theitar nak jong na tuai na chimi interview pakha khang mi chu ma hi koram flag I or lupi kho nak dinga fak ngai ngai zo mi namhu mi sti ka si ko zai tok khat da si chun ta chun naga tua US citizen jong si koram si tika US flag saloin koram flag ngai be nakha nang madu thim ma si mo kanang ma je tin da si ti mi de kha chimok thami mo
se hi koram alang ka thim na ka chute ke ma jong ka thi ka bloodline ka sin koram mi ka se chun te ka ma lai ram mi ka se chun UFC he tiban tu kan ro na matuk selo kha promotion ngan tuk mi si ti ka khente flag ten ha he du pong ken nga lo ti la chu ma ti hen koram he koram ala ne he ka hoi pa du khora jong he ko ma he I was telling them on my first fight was asking them to bring my flag and they didn't let me flag kending kan rakhal na kay mazong ni flag ka ken ne ma hi ala ne ka ken la ka te zai khod si te Myanmar si ka ten ha Myanmar chu country ma si ya kan te an thailo country si ka te Google he nam hulo ma ka te na Google ka pian ha okay selawa chakaning apyak la kan te ka thot la kan ka lan chu te locker room tiang ka ken ne ka chu pi kan du lo kan chu ka vain hi na ka thot na kan ka ken than anga lo anga ante ka chu la kan chu than vai thum na ka kan akan chu thiam thiam vai li na zong kan kan chu a vai nga na kan cha kan chu lo ma te ka kan a zekitila kamau gar te kan Myanmar flag te ka cha ma te kan zaitik maning kan koram alang ka ken te mi kan thai kho ding se tilo ga tila cha ma ka post interview kan hal te kan kalang tar ma valai pumpi thai tar in kan zang fa te ka flag ra ka ken tar te ka venti te kan mi pi zong kham ven aw ve ka tila cha ma nu long long in hi koram alan he kan putar mi se
pakhat te ma he pe tai ba ta lok do mi chu tha to kan long koram ayo naban kan langtar mi kha aho po kan lom di I pakhat te lai mi he kan ban that phun nak chu volei chung mi phun tlom te hi tok kan sanain volei chung stake nan tak tak baka hidin na kan phak pi kan du ni nga chu kan lai holte na kan lai pa kwa ti na kan te ka hak chim ti kan do ji ma chana chu silo le kan lai pun tin ha ma vai khat phong te tal khiวันลังเขาสติกันดูแลแค่มีเขียนจานน้ำเขาโดจานน้ำเขาดิ้งเสมอตัวเล็กชิมมันตัวกันริเคียมีมจั่วรวงละ
ก็ชิมมันกัน
ชิมมันตุกน้ำของฮาม
เขาก็จะกินละกันมาจงกาสวมเตะตัวก็ชิมมันตุกัน UFC จะกินกันยิ่งชุกมีทิลเตะโปเคชัวร์ท่านักเคนเปียดีมาซาสิติกันมาเนี่ยเช่นมีแค่น่าเต้นเตะกับบ้านไปฟกปันหิกาสวยก็จะไล่มีกสินาลังก็สโลมา
ตัวเล็กที่ท่านชูลายมีประเทศนั้นกันโดดที่สิบจังไรกันลง
ตัวจุดแชมเปี้ยนสิจังจ้า online question รามิซู What is something you want to do with since you have a big name What is something you want to do with since you have a big name
I just want to defend my belt as of right now and you know the goal is to open a gym for my people, you know what I mean, the people. So, but as of right now, defend the belt, you know, become one of the greatest of all time, and then, you know, build this young generation of Burmese, Chin, Hakka, and things like that, you know. Let's go.
That's amazing. And you said that you wanted to build training or like a gym for the younger generation. So if you were to do that, where will it be?
See, where Dallas will be the first, and then it got to be here too, you know. So that's where all the people, my community are, you know what I'm saying. So Dallas for sure, and then we'll see if we can build one here too.
That's amazing. You heard it, guys. Hey, he might start a gym here, so watch out. There we go. I love the energy.
Okay, Joshua, atu hibantukin tainak namutigahin tuakan palazong simbantuk impact mirang khol chinte abigin minaw chungahin impact angan tak tu zanzong na zoe zeitlokin da kan lungatho mu kanilom nang mazong na simbantuk na phak kamerang khol na siam lo siang in zonga buli hibantuk mu ti sam na ton ta harnak tam pinatong nang ma sa isu nak ne tu dir mun sok lowin lampi ale sul naki hanak sina tong khozong se chuban tukin India na sa se dala sa se minaw tampi chungkhar financial itam tin lo ronga mo pakhat khat alive astakal mi tam pinom zeitu ok thelo na wa tuk na zongin buli rak tong mi tam pinom me tu tan minaw kan minaw na sina hen zeida be cha da du min ham mo zeitu inda merga rak na praktika na ma zong tam pinar ton nak experience kan minaw na sina hen metal encourage pun mo sa du mi mo
See, becha gadu mi chite ke mazong US krak phakahen struggle te trouble tampi krak tong zagatila siang ten hazonga bully rak tong tilai chite bully tontika we have to fight back and things like that, you know, and in the process of doing that, you know, we enjoy the attention, right, of fighting in school and fighting on the street and things like that. So like lam tampi kan kaldu lo na kinakan shoy mi ke tampi te ke hoi thalo do zong kan hang out chan zong tampi chun thil so kan to du lo mi kan to chan zong tampi ki tilai chu ma ti a khen a ke chan tampi chu khoi ka zo na da dir mun na kan dir be lai ti mi ke thai lo in khoi ka de da ka lai ti ke abna bia khoi kai khala mati hoi kom dang he kan ti ka biakin lai ka pe la ka ti ka biakin kan hoi lo fol ni kom kan du ti lo phun nang se chang khatale ka ko ka komla ti khan la lung nom di khan num ve phone lo ma ti ka khan te abe pi bi ke kai ma chim ka du mi che tin mi ngai mi he kan hau ti mi he ka du chun tin mi ngai he chu tin mi ngai lo mi na kan chun kan tha de shrim ko tin mi ngai emo ma khan tin mi ngai mi kha tha ten chase te ma chun kai ma jong chu chim ka kal hang ke I don't know where I belong tilai chite khoi ka zo na da ka dir mun city mi ka thailo chim ka kal nuin khan mi po zon ka kan accept ka tilai chu ma man to king kan dream kan chase ti ka chun dream kan ngai ete tin mi kan ngai si khan chun ka ma zong ke khoi ka dir mun na kan kal kholai ti mi ke fiang dang kan ni thailai chun cha chi ka du mi chu ka ma younger generation long slow nu la pa cha zong he se nam fa la te ni thil pa khat kan zo man ti chun thâu lòng hay thòng tục lao thả bẹc giống hay thòng bao nụ là pa giang phát thì cần nôn mình hả sẽ cần nào lẽ sang thở bộ lẽ thả bẹc tuôn hen bom lòng mang con hả sẽ thì mình biết chắc cần du chín ha.
Thank you so much. One last question, because unfortunately we are coming to the end. One last question is, what do you have to say to your fans?
Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. I'll always fight for you guys. You guys will see the best Joshua of my next fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Joshua Vaughn, Fearless Vaughn. Thank you.
Kan lo